These are the lesson plans for the week of October 28th. We will be doing some audio, video, some student leadership, and then one Google slide. So it's a little bit of a mishmash this week. On Monday and Tuesday, we're going to be doing a new lesson that we haven't done before. It's called Halloween PSA. And by the way, before I forget, I'm going to be holding on to these grades till next week just because it's the end of the 6 weeks. And so the Halloween PSA will be our first major grade for the third 6 weeks. The Halloween PSA is a public service announcement. Um, we're going to discuss this top part with the kids. We'll read to them what a public service announcement is. We'll tell them how it can be in print, broadcast, out of home, and then we're going to check out a few examples together. We'll just watch them together as a class. When you click here, it will take you to a YouTube playlist of a few of them. I think in all it's going to be about 7 minutes, but we just play each of them for the kids to watch. We can ask them real quick questions afterwards, like what was the main issue that this one addressed and things like that. But then it's going to be up to them to develop a PSA about Halloween safety. They're going to get in a group of either 2 or 3, just like we did with the multimedia project, a group of 2 or 3 to come up with a PSA about Halloween safety. They can click right here and they can choose from any of these ideas about Halloween safety and how they're going to do it. It can be a skit, it can be just whatever. We showed them a bunch of different ones. Okay, so their job is to use WeVideo to do that. Here are the instructions. Their video must have each of these things: an image, audio, music, text, and anything else. And they're going to submit the link in Canvas like they did when we did other WeVideo things. And here's some tips and reminders for them as well. Okay. All right. So that is Monday and Tuesday. All right. Remember, Tuesday too, we are on pep rally schedule. On Wednesday, we're going to do a clam lesson. It's called Clam BU. Just like the other clam lessons, we're going to go over the top part together, kind of over the quotes and stuff, and talk about it for a minute or two. And then they're going to watch this video. They're going to read this excerpt, and then they're going to answer these questions and submit them in Canvas. The video is about 14 minutes long, so you may want to watch and see if there's a place you want to stop it, or you can just watch the whole thing with them together as a class. It's a little long, so you can kind of do what you need to do with that. And then on Thursday is a assignment called Build a Jack-o'-lantern. The assignment is pretty self-explanatory, but if you want, you can show them this video here that says today's video instructions, and it'll go over all of it. The basic idea is they're going to build the jack-o'-lantern here and then write about their jack-o'-lantern there. Okay, so each of these goes one by one: how to build it, how to write about it, how to narrate it, then download a PNG and submit. So on the next slide, step 1 is build your jack-o'-lantern. Talks about what to do here. They're going to go, let me go into edit mode like they'll be in. So what they're going to do first to build the jack-o'-lantern is they're going to come down here to these slides at the end that have all kinds of different parts and stuff like that. And they're just going to choose the ones they want and Control-C, Control-V them to their jack-o'-lantern in whatever way they want. So they're going to use copy and paste from those slides to put onto their jack-o'-lantern right here. Then they're going to write about their jack-o'-lantern. The next slide, this shows them that they can either copy paste, or they can use shape tools, or they can use polyline tool, whatever they want to do, okay, or a combination of all. Then they're going to write about it, and then they're going to narrate their writing. They're going to use WeVideo to basically read whatever they wrote, and then they're going to put it on there as a little, they're going to insert it where they need to insert it. The video is right here for them to watch. Just remember that once they do have it, they're going to have to put it up on this right here. The little speaker icon should show up somewhere here. So in the end, for them to submit it, they're actually simply going to download as a PNG. Okay, they're just going to go to this slide, go to File, download PNG, and submit that in Canvas. You won't be able to click the speaker icon, I don't believe, but you'll be able to see that they did one. So that's really the main thing. And that's it for that assignment.